Los Angeles is a city that is located in the state of California, and their biggest threat is the continuous increase in the average temperature due to a rise in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and irregular precipitation patterns. According to NASA Earth Observatory, the average temperature in Los Angeles has increased by more than 2.3 degrees Fahrenheit from 1950 to 2000. Scientists have also concluded that rural areas better reflect the global average temperature increase in correlation with climate change because urban areas tend to show warmer conditions due to a growing population and the transformation of land into buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. Not only is the average temperature increasing in and around the city of Los Angeles, but the number of days reaching over 95 degrees Fahrenheit have also continued to increase throughout the recent years, occurring mostly inland rather than the coastal areas. Nevertheless, climate change increase in the average temperature, a longer summer season, and irregular precipitation patterns have led to catastrophic wildfires near Los Angeles. In the year 2018, California's wildfires hit a record-setting year due to the estimated 1.98 million acres that were burned. The average temperature in September of 2018 had increased by 4% Fahrenheit from 1920 to 2010, and fuel moisture had decreased to an all-time low of 5.9%. This has cost the state of California multiple billions of dollars throughout the years to cover the cost of damages that these wildfires have destroyed. Although Los Angeles has experienced significant periods of drought, the city has also experienced major flooding in the past, and scientists believe another flood is just waiting to happen. Since Los Angeles is currently home to more than 14 million residents, a destructive flood would greatly affect drinking water, power, sewage, highways, and railways, and the busiest container port in the Western Hemisphere would all be shut down, not to mention billions of dollars of infrastructure would be destroyed, crippling not only the local economy, but the city of Los Angeles itself. There are multiple reasons as to why Los Angeles is vulnerable, and unfortunately, there are more reasons I have not mentioned, but all are due to climate change. According to the University of California, Los Angeles, if the United States continues to operate at the business as usual plan, at the end of the century in 2100, temperatures will be 8.2 degrees Fahrenheit higher than they were in 1981 to 2000, which would be detrimental to both the city and state. Scientists have predicted that Los Angeles will continue to experience these natural disaster events unless corrective actions are quickly taken. Some of the solutions including reduction the United States carbon footprint by drastically reducing the amount of fossil fuels this country uses, better maintaining the forests during the most dry and hot months in the year to reduce the number of wildfires and damages, as well as implement various water conservation projects throughout the city.